Hello students, in this video I am going to explain the exercise of this chapter which help you to write the answer easily in your notebook. Okay, I will provide the answer of it also. Okay, so first question, state the difference between acid and base. You have already written the difference of acid and base and we have discussed in summary also. Okay, so you can write from there, and if you have written already, so you can leave it. Okay, second question, ammonia is found in many household products such as window cleaner. It turns red litmus to blue. What is its nature? अमोनिया है विंडो क्लीनर और हाउस होल्ड प्रोडक्ट्स में मिलता है और वो रेड लिटमस को ब्लू में कन्वर्ट करता है. इसका मतलब क्या है? रेड को ब्लू में चेंज कौन करता है? ऑलवेज बेस. सो इट्स नेचर it is basic in nature. Okay, name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. What is the use of this solution? Litmus solution we get from a plant that is named lichen, which we get from the lichen as a symbiotic relation between the fungi and algae. ओके, तो ये लाइकेन प्लांट से मिलता है. इज डिस्टिल्ड वाटर एसिडिक, बेसिक और न्यूट्रल? हाउ वुड यू वेरीफाई इट? डिस्टिल्ड वाटर एसिडिक होगा, बेसिक होगा कि न्यूट्रल होगा? सो बाय टेकिंग द लिटमस पेपर वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई इट. व्हेन वी पुट द सम ड्रॉप ऑफ the on the litmus paper, it does not change its color, means it's neutral or in nature. Okay, describe the process of neutralization with the help of an example. We have done when acid react with base, it makes salt and water. Example we have seen, hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide, make the sodium chloride, that is the salt, with the water. Now mark true and false. Nitric acid turn red litmus to blue. Okay, nitric acid, it is written acid here and we know acid always turns blue litmus to red, so it's false. Sodium hydroxide turn blue to red. No, sodium hydroxide is a base, so base turn red to blue, not blue to red, so it is also false. Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralize each other and make salt and water. Yes, this is the example of neutralization reaction, so it's right. Indicator is a substance which show different color in acidic and basic solution. Yes, it's right. They change their color. This is a definition of indicator. To decay is caused by the presence of base. No, to decay caused due to the presence of acid. Okay, so it's also false. Dorji have a few bottles of soft drink in a restaurant, but unfortunately these are not labeled. उन पे कोई label नहीं होता. And he has to serve the drink on the demand of the customer. One customer want acidic, another want the basic, and a third wants the neutral. How Dorji decide this? So for this he will take the litmus paper and drop the drop wise drop, put the some drop of drinks one by one on the litmus paper. If litmus paper red litmus paper turn into blue, that means that drink is a basic in nature. If blue turn into red, that means acidic in nature. And another one, if change into the greenish color, that means it is neutral in nature. Got it? Now explain why. An antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. जब acidity हो जाती है तो antacid tablet ली जाती है, because antacid tablets that contain the milk of magnesia, which is the base and which can cure the acidity. Calamine solution is applied on the skin when an ant bites. Ant bite करती है तो calamine is a solution of basic solution of zinc carbonate. Okay, it has some amount of base in it, so because of its basic nature it neutralizes the effect of acid released by the ant in on our skin. Okay, factory waste is neutralized before depositing into the water, because factory waste contain the acid in it. So to neutralize the effect of acid, they are neutralized before throw in the water bodies with the base. Three liquids are given to you. One is hydrochloric acid, another is sodium hydroxide, and third is the sugar solution. How will you identify them? From the you have the one indicator, that is the turmeric. So we put the some drop an you can say drop of turmeric indicator or paste in a hydrochloric acid, and we say we can see that in a hydrochloric acid turmeric does not change its color in the hydrochloric acid. Okay, and because it is acid and it changes color in a base in sodium hydroxide into turn into pink color, and in sugar solution it change its color in yellowish. Okay, you can say a little bit yellowish oranges color you can get, so it is a sugar solution. Got it? Now blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution, it remains blue. blue litmus paper को एक solution में डालते हैं और वो blue ही रहता है. it means what is the nature of the solution? solution का nature क्या होगा? obviously if blue remains blue, that means its base. okay, so in the base the always blue litmus paper remains blue, it does not change its color. now consider the following statement. ऑप्शन ए बोथ एसिड एंड बेस चेंज कलर ऑफ ऑल इंडिकेटर. एसिड बेस सभी इंडिकेटर में अपना कलर चेंज करते हैं. नो, इफ एन इंडिकेटर गिव्स ए कलर चेंज विद एन एसिड इट डज नॉट गिव ए चेंज विद द बेस. अगर कोई इंडिकेटर एसिड में अपना कलर चेंज कर चुका होता है तो वो बेस में नहीं करता. नो, इट्स नॉट ट्रू. इफ़ एन इंडिकेटर चेंज कलर विद द बेस इट डज नॉट चेंज कलर विद एन एसिड. अगर वो बेस में कलर एक बार चेंज कर चुका तो एसिड में नहीं करेगा. ऐसा भी नहीं होता है. चेंज ऑफ कलर इन एसिड एंड बेस डिपेंड्स ऑन द टाइप ऑफ द इंडिकेटर. यस इज़ ट्रू. ये ऑलवेज डिपेंड ऑन द टाइप ऑफ इंडिकेटर. इंडिकेटर कैसा है उस पर डिपेंड करता है कि वो एसिड में कलर चेंज करेगा या बेस में. सो द राइट ऑप्शन हेयर इज विच ऑफ दिस स्टेटमेंट आर करेक्ट? The correct statement is fourth, that is only D. So the answer is D here. Got it, students? I will provide the answer, question answer of this chapter with to you, so you have to write them in your fair notebook. Thank you.